I'm sharing my screen. Let me know what's happening. First, SAP we are the index. What are the syllabus we need to cover as per the finance side as well as the controlling side? Okay. In the controlling side, the finance side, index of the ERP at the what is the landscape or R by 3. Then we have to discuss about the SAP methodology, how to the project implementation, how to the support, how to do it. We have the whenever do the FI thing, we have discussion of the index, and as well as we have to discuss about the RBEST is the lecture, the landscape system. What is the landscape using the RBI presentation layer and the database layer application layer. We have discussed what is the use of that layers. Then SAP methodology. SAP methodology, whenever do the implementation, how to proceed that implement the particular non-SAP to SAP systems. Then coming to the GL concept of you, NUGL. In the NUGL concept, AP and AR asset accounting. How to involve to the AP, how to link to the asset accounting to my GL account as GL to AP, AP to AR, AR to asset. We have to do how to the my sub account to the my main GL accounts. Till are you following to me, right?
Yes.
Yeah. How to link to this my main account to the my sub account. Okay. Sub account nothing but GL account is the main. I need to discuss more about each of the concept wise. Whatever we are discussing about the only little bit short discussion about for this, what is the AP, what is the AR, what is the asset accounting. The GL nothing but a main GL account is there. This main GL account, it is mapped to the my account. AP nothing but account payable. Okay. Then AR nothing but accuracy. AR nothing but asset accounting. These all submodule, these three submodule we need link to the my main GL account. How to link this concept we have to discuss. Then second concept of the integration. Integration nothing but a MM. That is the material management and SD sales distribution. Then what is the sales and distribution? How to link to the FI to MM? Okay. This is the concept we need to discuss. How to link to the FI module to MM. Then how to link to the SI to FI to SD. Okay. Then other concept. This is very important. Then year ending and month ending closing. Okay. How to closing the business process year end. Either first we have discussed of the month end activities. What are the things we have to do the month end? Then what are the things we have to do from business side for the year end? We have discussed these two things. Okay. Then here this concept, year end and month end, this is concept performed by business only, but we need to understand what are the things we have to done as a consultant. Okay. Then enterprise structure. Enterprise structure define company code. How to company code is defined. Okay. Then configuration. Then what is the company? This what is the company? What is the company code? Then what is the business consolidation area? What is the credit controlling area? What this is all. What are this all the names is there. That is called enterprise structure. Okay. Enterprise structure for the define of the your business organization. For example, enterprise structure, each of enterprise, let me share my, I think I can open my SAP, you understand, okay? Let me know when I will understand, then I can repeat, okay? Your name is Dhira.
Sorry?
What is your name?
Raghavendra.
Raghavendra, okay.
Yeah.
See here, this is my SAP system. In this SAP system, now we have to what I've discussed here, enterprise structure, right? In the enterprise structure, each of areas, what are the submodules is there, and the SD and PP, what are the submodules is there? Each submodule wise, we have to create at the enterprise structure. If you go to the definition, see, this is the financial enterprise structure. If you go to the financial enterprise structure, we can define the company and the company code and create controlling area, business organization, define function area. Those are we have to create it. Then what is the company code? What is the create controlling area? We have to discuss further. Then we have to understand this is the concept here. This is the what company code controlling area and company business. This all belongs to the FI organization. Then we are responsibility for only this FI organization as well as control. These two things only we have to responsible. Other areas, this logistic and sales, this logistics and as well as material management is taken by M consultant. Then this solution it is taken by the SD consultant. Okay. Then we are also understanding what is the process for the AP side as well as the material side as well as the sales and distribution side. Then we have to understand how to the business processes happen. For this, all the submodules. Okay.
Okay.
Then, as per the FICO consult, we need to understand this two only what is the finance as well as controlling. This two thing what is the organization which belongs to the okay enterprise structure organization we need created. Then we need to go for each of the what is the company code, how to create the company code. Then what is your business process? Where are the business? First of all, we understanding the business flow. Then only we can define the company code. Then only we can define the currencies. Then only we can define all of the activities. Without your business process, we cannot understand your business process. We cannot do anything. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Then another one we need to discuss about the global parameters. We have discussed about the global parameters. In the global parameters, we have to discuss about the chart of accounting. Nothing but a chart of accounting, nothing but here we have to create up the GLs, right? For example, whenever the books we have entered the GL accounts is there, right?
Yes.
I will open the system also, understand. See, this is the GL account number. This GL account number I have to create under my company code. Okay. This is the nature of the GL account number. See, I have to segregate this number. How many numbers I have segregated? 6 letters, right? These 6 letters, how to control my chart of accounting, but this is the list of GL accounts. This is called a chart of accounting. Then chart of accounting consists and operating group and other of the chart of accounts. We have stored further that one also. This we have to chart of this nothing but a GL account. Whenever posting any kind of finance statement, we can report at the each of the chart of account wise. Okay. Then we have to in the coming session we have discussed about finance. Okay. Then fiscal year variant. Okay. What is this fiscal year? This is the fiscal year nothing but a whenever posting the document. I little bit fast. Why? Because we don't have much time. We have 3 months. We need to finish this all the areas. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Why? Because we have within the 3 months. Then only I can little bit fast. If you whenever you couldn't understand, we can raise your hand. Then let me discuss about that particularly. Okay.
Sure.
Very. What is this physically identity? But when I am posting the entry, for example, I can open one of the things. This is the this is the K4. Okay. In the K4 now, what is open? Open that path. Yes. We can go for the K4. This is the K4 now. This K4 now, we have to find the fiscal year. Then each of the, for example, India, we can follow the April to March, right? And we go for the US, the other country, na, December to January to December. Each the different January, June to July. In each of the countries, you can follow the different fiscal year. Then we have to define the as per the your business require. For example, the business we have to take all the transactions belong to the India. We can consider the April to March. The business we belongs to the US, we can consider to Jan to December. Okay. Then we have to how to define this fiscal period. Then posting period vary. Posting period vary nothing but we have to 12 periods. In the 12 periods, we need to control which period we have to post at the document. For example, we have to post at the first period. We have to which period we need to post at the document. Then and opening period and closing period we have to maintain. Then document type. The document type nothing but we need to consider of the base of the transaction scope. We have to, for example, GLC is there and vendors and customers and asset. We need to, based on the document type, we need to find out this is belongs to the asset. This is the belongs to transaction to the particular customer. This is we have to this all the concept is coming from the global parameters. Okay. What is the global parameter? The chart of account is posting this all the areas it's coming from the this global parameters. Then coming to the NUGL. This NUGL nothing but we can using the this all the NUGL concept using the only reporting purpose one. The reporting purpose we have to segregate the NUGL. This is the NUGL little bit difficult concept. Then we need to once we understand this concept, it is that easy. But nowadays in every business aspects we are using this. This is the NUGL concept is required. Only this is the only reporting purpose only we can using this NUGL concept. In the NUGL concept, active splitting is there, passive splitting is there, and external tables is there. Then forex is there. Then bank interest, automatic clearing. This all the concept is coming to the NUGL. Okay. Hello, are you following?
Yeah,
Hello?
okay.
Then coming to the and here and the banking. Then A and A ranking. This is how to payment to the particular, how to receive the from the customer, then how to pay to the bank through banks, then how to create the vendor masters, vendor numbers and customer numbers. Then we have to payment process coming to the AP and receive areas coming from the account receivable.
Yeah.
How to do it? Along with your integration to AP, we can integrate to MM. AR, we can integrate to your SD. Then how to integrate this all the concept?
Okay.
This is the integration point of view. How to integrate? How to integrate it to MM to FI, FI to SD. Then how to what are the configuration is required? FI side, but multiple configuration is FI side is required the configuration as well as SD side also require the configuration, MM side also require the configuration. But who is the take care of this configuration from FI side? Who is the take FI side? What are the configuration we need to done? Then as per same time, but you are understanding the as per the business process MM side as well as the SD side. Then only we can do the configuration. Okay. Then go to the asset accounting. Asset account nothing but how to asset, how to procure the asset, how to the what is the chart account, how to procure the asset, how to depreciation asset accounting. Then how to map to the sub accounts, how to map to whenever posting any particular asset number, the value, how to fetch my main jail account number. That is understanding the first we need, but my what I'm teaching here, I need to understanding the front end flow and business process as well as how to upload the data in the back end. Main these three ways we need to understand and we can get any business process we need to I think any requirement you got easily. First we need to understanding business process, then what is the system behaving, what is the back end the system is behaving, how to the data is flow, then data tables. This concept you understand we can handle any client. Then asset point of view, we need to discuss my asset transactions, how to post the depreciation, then how to transfer to one asset to another asset, one company to another company. Multiple areas we have to discuss. Okay. Coming to the port costing in the C1, in the CO basic configuration we have to discuss. But in the 3 months, I couldn't cover the casting and COPA. I have to cover cost element and cost centers and internal ladder. Okay.
Okay.
But podcast and copper we have that much time we are taking only podcast and copper for 3 months, minimum 2 months. Yes, this is the only we need to focus more of the effects. Okay, what are the configuration and we can go further in the Google. We can find out the what is the AP configuration. We need to find out the what are the configuration is there, and we can multiple documents is there configuration point of view and the support project of view. But I need to focus on more of time this landscapes, this real-time project. What is the landscape system? Then in the business, whenever go to the real time, na, I need if you this landscape is different. This what is the landscape? I need to explain. See, if you I can only YM I can explain this. What is the landscape? What is the tier? You need to understanding the naming terminology only. Okay, we don't have the if you don't remember this system landscape, no issue. But then this terminology is their landscape. We can put in the mind that only we can remember these names only. See this landscape. What is this landscape? I explain. See here. If you go to here, my system, na, see, go back. I can open one more time my SAP. I can close this one. This is I can close. See, I can open this. I can log in this server. See, your client name is there, na? 400.
Yeah.
See, in the right information is there, na? 400 development, 200 testing, 100 sandbox. Okay.
Okay.
This is the three. I have three landscapes. That landscape nothing but I have three landscape. In the first is the development, and the second 200 is the testing, and it is the sandbox system. What are you using the under the client? What is the using the testing? What are you using sandbox? I can extend the further. Then this three called is the landscape. Okay, this is the
So
my
we need
landscape.
to work on these three clients, huh?
Now, basically, we need to work on these three clients.
Okay.
Then I'll work on this three client. What is this without this three client now? But most of you can work on the in the production system only. But if you anything, for example, we need to we cannot understand one issue, right? For
Yeah.
example, business is raised one concern. So on so document is not posted. Okay, then the
Okay.
document we cannot to post directly in the production system from with our IDs.
Okay.
Then we need to do the testing in the test environment. Okay, then you
Got
have
it.
to realize that is the issue, some configuration is missing. Then how to do, we need to development this. I can explain this one, that is the only most of time I can spend here only. The configuration is so I can very fast, minimum I can finish within the 45 days only. Then I can
Okay.
put my more hours here only. Whenever go to the any real-time project na, see we can put in the 3 or 4 years experience. Okay, cannot
Yeah.
teach anyone to this kind of things. What is the landscape system, then how to tr is movement. This tr nothing but we can develop some changes in the this system, then how to move to the one system to another system. We need to understanding this flow. Then
Okay.
how to tr, how tr configuration is there, what are the types of trs. This is the is there. Then data types, what is the master data, what is the transaction data, what is the configuration data, how to data is flow, how to data is store. Few of the data, some data we can do the direct production system, some data we can do the development system, then we can move to the each system wise. Then I can explain of each configuration wise. Okay.
Okay.
Then types of project, what are the types of projects is there. Then implement types of project nothing but implementation and support projects and rollout projects and upgradation projects and enhancement project. This is the kind of projects is there. Then implementation project, what is your role as a consultant, what you do in the support project, what you do, and enhancement rollout, what kind of rollout we have to involve. That are all things we have to understand here. Then SAP
Okay.
methodology, SAP methodology nothing but whenever coming to the SAP to non-SAP, then how to build the
Okay.
project, what are the things, what are the documents you have to prepare, how to involve to the business, how to prepare the document, all the things we need to discuss about this SAP methodology. Okay. Then cutover activities, cutover activity nothing but still the business process working on the one Oracle in other third party system, either other than SAP. Okay, other than any SAP, whether Oracle, PeopleSoft, JDS, whatever may be any third party system. The third party system is to the data move to the third party system to SAP system. Then the cutover activates nothing but the data. Still some data is there, the business process. The data we need to move to the SAP. How to move to the whole data, the bulk data. What are the tools we are using? Okay.
Okay.
Then support process and documentation, how to prepare the documents, how to prepare the functional FS, how to the do the uh, lot of things is there. This is the real-time project is a very, very important. It take minimum 2 months. This is I can spend more hours here only. Okay.
Okay.
This is what are the configuration we can go and search in Google, we can find out. But we can spend more hours on what is the rise of, what is the workflows, what is the scenarios wise in the see, this is the this all the project relatives, this whatever information is there still here, it is applicable all modules.
Okay.
Either MN, SD, whatever any concept. Then after this one, we can require only consultant. Sorry, FI consultant, integration, asset scenario wise, and AP scenarios, automatic payment process, and EBS, then real-time incidents, whatever the resolve the incident, how to resolve the incident, how to resolve the P1 instance. We are putting the 3 or 4 years, right? Then someone you
Yeah.
can directly assign the P1, P2 issues, then how to resolve the issues, how to handle the
Okay.
business. Then this is the tax related things. Then OSS not. If you don't know the solution, okay, then who approach? Directly we can raise to OSS not to SAP, ask some of the questions. This is the issue happen, how to resolve. But you don't have the standard program, but it is not working properly. Okay, we cannot do anything.
Okay.
Then we can reach out to SAP. How to reach out to SAP? How to raise the OSS not to SAP? Okay,
Okay.
this is the thing. Then. And one more thing also, DM, the DM is the very important. Nowadays, everyone is using the DM only. Kosiko, pray, pray, Kosiko, pray, pray. Okay.
Okay.
Then this is this two things the below na, how to upload the. I can discuss now the cutovers na. This is the tools
Yeah.
how to upload the cutover activities.
Okay.
Okay. This is the thing. Still, do you have any concern? Let me know. I can explain one more.
So,
Otherwise, I can
this is
go for.
starting enough. If I go through deeply, then I can
Ah,
ask.
no, I can go to the deep one only. This is the things I need to cover. I can
Yeah.
explain this thing. Then only the CO side I couldn't cover the cost, the pot costing copper. Then rest of things I can cover because of their less time only. That's why.
Okay.
Okay. Then I can put the more efforts here only. This real time
Okay.
project. If
Okay. Got it.
you can understand in this process now,
Hmm.
then whenever I explain this process, this configuration, everything, I can cover the below configuration as well as this configuration also. But if you, I can go, if you understand this flow now, then only I can go for this real-time project.
Okay.
The market, no
So,
one, tell me.
yeah. So I am totally new to this courses and all. So
That's
if
why.
I want to learn soon, so how many hours I should be practice?
The based on your interest. But if you see, this is SAP not an easy task. We can
Yeah.
put the more efforts daily. We can 3 4 hours. We can practice now. We need to ask
Okay.
more questions to me. Then I can explain the whatever questions based on the question we can understanding only. I can
Okay.
provide what is my best. I can provide all the documentation and support, whatever you want. But we can
Okay.
practice more. We can ask me if you practice one scenario, if you don't do the solve, we can ask to me. Then if
Okay.
you do, we can
So
see.
daily basis, you will be giving any tasks.
I can give the task, but we can search for example. I can give the task daily base, whatever the
Okay.
cover. Then we can from your side as well. We can check somewhere. We can Google.
Yeah.
We can put one server, one kind of scenario. Then we
Yeah.
can ask him to me, we can try it from yourself. Then that is not do from yourself. Then we can ask to me, I can try to my best
Yeah. Sure.
how to do it, that kind of things. But we
Yeah.
can put our how much efforts we can put. Then we will finish this one. We can, if you possible, we can sit more hours in weekend as well as.
Yeah.
This is the thing.
Your available timings?
I think if you better in the morning hours only.
Okay.
I think you okay for in the morning hours.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Okay, if you put your morning hour also, then let me check with Then if you better, we
Mm.
can go for in the morning hours.
Okay.
Then in the weekend also we can sit more hours. Okay.
Um,
Then I need to go to the SAP. I need to cover few things. Work. What is not open? Mhm. Drop this better. The better I can put in. You know what is SAP?
Yeah, software application products.
Hmm?
Sorry, system application products.
Yes, system. And the data process. Okay.
Okay.
What is the SAP? SAP nothing but a system application and data processing. Then application nothing but a C here. I can open in one of the system again, my SAP. I can open the under pen. See, application nothing but this is my application. Okay.
Okay.
This application in the back end. Okay. The data will be stored in the back end. If you go to the table, this is the storage the table in the table only. SC69 in the back end, the data will store this particular table. Okay, I can open this BSET table. Okay, the data will be stored in this back end. Okay, this is my database. Okay, this is my what is the front end is there. This is the front end screen only. In the back end, the data will be the data in the back end. Okay,
Okay.
this is the called. This is application in the back end. What are the data will be stored in the back end in this particular table wise. Okay, this is if you want to open this program. If you open any of the program, I can open this program, display. See, this is the one in the program level. Each of that will store in this particular table wise. This is the
This
called.
program, sorry, this program, who will write all these things?
Just write this program above only. This is the above consultant, but we need to understanding the this front. What is the showing this front end? Whenever posting the document, now how to the flow is happen. This we need to understand. Then we can give the this logic to above. This what is the application? This is the application. The process, whatever this coding is happening in the back end. That is the database. The data will be stored in this particular table. Okay, this is called database. See, if you go to SC11, SC69, here the data will go in this particular storage wise. Okay, in this storage wise, this is the whatever the functionality. If you want to see, I can post one document B50. $100. This is the debit. This is the credit balance. Can put the same cost center back end also. Okay. Then I can post this
Okay.
document. Okay.
Then it will be
See,
stored in backend.
yes, if you here we can update the it's showing the dump error. Okay. Some system is placing issue. Okay. It's
Okay.
if you open one document, if you not this one. Yes. It's the document. These are the document is posted, right?
Yeah.
This document, na, I can copy this document. Okay.
Okay.
This is the front end. Okay. This is the application.
Yeah.
Okay. This
Yeah. Understood.
application, I can copy this document number. I can put here. If you go here, simply I can execute. This is the backend. This same call is backend as well.
Okay.
See the amount, what is the amount here posted? This is the one.
Mm.
My table name, date 2925. See the date.
Okay. Just
This
now you
all
have posted
this is not posted, but I am showing some dump error. I don't post it just
Okay.
now. This is my whole document. I can show it how to the voice happen. Okay. This is the backend.
Okay.
This is the my processing data. See what I will explain here, na, the database
Yeah.
system application. This is the application. Okay. This data, this application in the backend process data processing app. This data. This is called
Okay.
SAP. Okay. System
Okay.
application product and data processing.
Data
This is
processing.
called, this is SAP. Okay. In the SAP, we
Yeah.
have to segregate the in the as per the finance, we have to segregate two modules, finance as well as
And controlling.
controlling. Then finance nothing but a this finance nothing but a FI reporting, C1 nothing but a FI nothing but a finance, C1 nothing but a controlling. Okay. This
Okay.
FI it using for the internal reporting. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, FI it using for the external reporting. This is using for only the internal reporting.
Okay.
You understand it? Only
Yeah.
FI it using for the
External
internal
purpose and CO is for internal purpose.
yes, absolutely. Then what is the ERP? You know the ERP?
Yeah. Enterprise resource plan.
Yes, enterprise resource planning. Can I explain what is the ERP? Is not necessary. If you want, I can
Okay.
explain.
This is also one software, right? I mean,
Okay, I can explain this one. Yes.
yeah.
Keyboard is not working properly. Mhm.
Like with help of ERP, we will develop the SAP, right?
Yes. What is happening? This is my keyboard. The one button I can press, I can go to another letter.
It's okay, understood. You can just write it in short form, also not a problem.
See what is happening? ERP, enterprise
Mm.
resource planning. That any
Mm.
kind of business, whatever you
Yeah.
can go to the in the small business also, is dependent the ERP. Okay,
Yeah.
we can go for anywhere. This dependent the ERP. Either small business, either huge business also, we can depend this ERP only. This ERP
Okay.
nothing but a enterprise kind of business. What kind of business?
Yeah.
Either manufacturing industry or service industry, either manufacturing industry, what kind of either pharmaceutical, either any other business. Food
Like
corporate
LOB,
business. Yes,
line
what
of
kind of business?
business.
Yes, the business. Then resource, then requirement, then employees. What is the resource we require for the particular? If you the business is there, the business we need to require the raw material, manpower,
Yes.
then some logos, some kind of resource. Then planning how to the further. Okay,
Yeah.
this is all the calls ERP, enterprise resource planning.
Okay.
I need to change my laptop tomorrow. This is my personal
Okay, you
laptop.
can go forward. It's not a problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then if you understand this one, no? Then if you see what are the ERP systems is there now available in the market. Okay. You know
Yeah.
everyone should know the tally.
Yeah.
Tally. Okay.
Yeah.
Then any other modules?
I'm
Oracle.
not aware of that. Yeah, that is Oracle is a database, no?
Oracle database also there, as well as the
Yeah.
ERP software also is there.
Okay.
Do you have anything? JD Adverse, PeopleSoft, this all the ERP systems. Okay, as well as the
Okay.
SAP. Okay.
Okay.
Then if you coming to the all the markets with Tally, Oracle, SAP, JD Adverse, PeopleSoft, multiple ERP servers, softwares is there. Why this much of demands is in SAP? Why? Because we integrated to the one system to another system, one
Okay.
module to another module. For example, we have discussed into the integration concept. MI, FI
Yeah.
to MM, MM to FI. This concept we need to this is the most thing. See, if you, I can show one concept here.
Yeah. Finance can links with SD and MM, right?
SMD. See here, I can open on PO. See, this is the document is posted, right? See,
Yeah.
this is my material. This is my key. Then while posting the document, how to flow the document. Okay, this document, FI document. We can see here in this flow is happened. This document how to flow this document to FI. See this finance document.
Yeah.
This document. Okay, how to flow this
Okay.
document happen. This is the why SAP is very demanding. This integration point of view. In the market, we can see the multiple is there. Tally, Oracle, PeopleSoft, JD Atlas, Python, so many ERP systems is there. But
Yeah.
in the market, Oracle as well as the SAP. Highly demand SAP, then second space Oracle. Okay.
Yeah.
And coming to the SAP. Oh, SAP. In the SAP, we have to segregate the two kind of modules. What is this? One is the functional model. Second one is the technical module. Okay.
Okay.
First of all, if you go for the functional module, na, first of all, FI. This is the finance.
తిన్నది కూడా మీ మమ్మీకి కొట్టాడు
Second
పడుకుంటావా
one is the CO. That is what controlling. Rakesh Baba mute lo పెట్టండి.
దేనికి
Hello.
Ah,
Controlling. Then MM. Material management. Okay. Then
okay.
and one more thing, SD. Sales and distribution. I can put the sorted. Okay. Then one more thing also, PM, plant maintenance. Okay.
Yeah.
Then PS, power systems. Okay. And HR, human resource. This all the things is there. Totally 36 submodules is there for the
Okay.
function side. Okay.
Okay.
If you go to the technical side, na above ABAP, then basis, then BI, BI or BW, this is the one. Okay.
Technical side only 3 modules are there.
A different is there, few modules is there, but most of you can use these two only, above and
Oh.
basis only. And the
Okay.
PIPO also there. PIPO. PIPO. This is also there. PIPO also there. Okay.
Okay.
Then if you functional side, SAP we can segregate the two modules. What is the functional? One is the technical. Okay.
Okay.
If you functional side, finance, we have to discuss finance as well as the CO. Then
Okay.
material management is discussed, MM consultant. SD also functional only. Plant maintenance also functional only. PS also functional only. HR also functional only. This
Okay.
all the functional. This totally 36 modules. But now we can increase 38, 30 only. As for my knowledge, 36 only. Then
Okay.
technical module, above, basics, BIBO,
Basis.
and POs, PIPO. This is the
Okay.
technical things. Then, still, do you have any concerns?
No, no.
Okay. See, whatever discussed today, na, we have
Mm.
discussed about the index. What is the SAP? Okay.
Yeah.
Then, what are the we have to cover index? Then, what is the enterprise structure? What is the index we need to cover? Then we need to more put the efforts in this real-time project only. As soon as
Okay.
possible, I can cover this syllabus. What are the configuration only? Okay.
Okay.
Why? Because if you whatever put in more effort hours here only, we can understand the configuration. Na?
Mm.
Then I can go for directly in the real-time project. Why? Because once we have to settle in the project, na, no one know teach you how to create here, how to release here, this kind of things. I can
Yeah.
focus only real-time activities only. Okay.
Okay.
How to do the documentation, how to prepare the VP, all the things. Then
Okay.
today we have to discuss of these things. What is the finance accounting? What is the SAP? What is the submodules is there? What is the ERP? Then what is the functional side? Okay.
Yeah.
Then I can give the today my task. Okay. We can
Mm.
prepare this document. Whatever they discussed today, na,
Mm.
you can prepare the document. Whatever you understanding. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever understanding, you can prepare the document from yourself.
Okay.
Then come back to tomorrow. I will stop my screen.
Okay.
I can post here this information. Why? Because he's not able to do it. Yes. Okay, let's see what I'll see in this now. We can prepare the document tomorrow. Okay. What you're
Okay.
understanding, we can prepare the document. Okay.
Mm.
Don't mix what you're
And
understanding, we can put the document only. Then tomorrow I
yes.
need to cover more things. Okay.
Okay.
Then we need to cover
Timing is same or it will be
tomorrow. We can this weekend we can continue the second half only. Then next we can plan to the morning sessions. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Then we can leave this call. Tomorrow onwards we need to. If you want, I can prepare the. I can give the documentation. Okay.
Okay. Can I get your number if anything?
Sorry.
Can I get your phone number?
Yes, I will give you the phone number. We can ask you, Sinona. We can give you this my number.
Yes. What is your name?
Shyam.
Shyam. Okay.
Mm.
Thank you, Shyam.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.